everyone, today I am here in this Monogram market. You can see this is in the evening and a seller is selling toys just for 20 takas. My son bought a toy that is only 20 taka. I'm going to buy it for a rabbit is also 20 taka. And you can see this is hurricane in Bangla. So everything, whatever you take is basically just 20 taka. Okay, here you go, bhai. 8 taka nen. 8 taka nen 20 taka. Thank you, thank you. Time to দেয়া লাগলে পরে বলেন কত। You can see my son is going home and his watch is actually vividly giving reflection to the light of this reflection is fantastic. You can see, fantastic, very nice watch. He can use these as a light. That's a fantastic uses of this wonderful watch. Just 20 taka, but it has lots of features. Only 20 taka, but it has all the wonderful, lights and all. That's actually worth this money. Cheers.